video, we are going to be unboxing the Gerard Cosmetics 7th anniversary mystery box. You guys, I absolutely love unboxing the Gerard Cosmetics mystery boxes. They were kind enough to send this one to me. You guys know I have unboxed them in the past, and this one's a bit bigger than what I've ever unboxed with Gerard Cosmetics. So first and foremost, congratulations and happy anniversary to Jen Gerard and her company Gerard Cosmetics. You guys know I absolutely go crazy over the Sugar and Spice lip liner, which I actually do have on today with my lipstick. All my makeup and everything will be listed and linked down below for you guys, but you guys know my love for the Sugar and Spice lip liner, the buttercream lipstick, the kimchi doll. The list goes on and on. So anyways, guys, we're going to be doing a whole mystery unboxing. I'm going to tell you about the different anniversary boxes that they are going to have available if you guys are interested. If you guys are interested in picking up any of the anniversary boxes, I will have a link down below. And let's go ahead and jump right into the quick little disclaimer if you guys are new here. Hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here, we always embrace the hot mess and the fact that I'm an adult and yet I still choke on my own spit. Like, who does that? Literally, earlier, like 5 seconds ago, there's going to be a big cut, a pause, goofiness. It was because I was choking. Yeah, I know. Anyways, guys, fortunately, we embrace the hot mess because it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, we have a good time, we talk about makeup, play in makeup, unbox makeup, and we just keep it cute or put it on mute. Let's go ahead and jump on in. Okay, so once we open the box, this is what it looks like on the inside. We do have a little card in here showing one of my other favorite products besides the lip liner, the Sugar and Spice lip liner, which you guys know is my favorite, but don't get it twisted. I do love the Cher lip liner, the nude lip liner, and the Melrose Place lip liner. All amazing lip liners. But on top of the lip liner and the lipsticks that I go crazy about, yes, the primer. They do have a card included talking about the Clean Canvas Eye Primer. You guys, this is my second one. It released, I want to say like January or February, I think, of last year, and I use this all the time. It is the only eye primer that I use. It's a multi-use product. The one I use all the time is medium. I can get away with using the shade Fair, but you guys know anytime this goes on sale, what do? I Instagram, Twitter, it's in my community posts, like I go crazy over it. So anywho, they have the Clean Canvas Eye Primer, Eye Concealer for $21, and they do have 4 different shades of this, and y'all know it's my favorite. Okay, so going off the looks of this box and the notes that I took off of their website, I do believe this is the Gerard Cosmetics Love Box in Platinum, which does have 7 to 8 products in here, and it does have at least $165 worth of goodies. It says, in honor of our 7th anniversary, we wanted to spoil you with something we know you will, or you have been wanting. These limited edition Gerard Cosmetic Love Boxes. Inside these bad boys, you will discover your gift packed with an array of Gerard Cosmetics Slay Essentials. Again, you guys know I could go on and on and on. Let's just dive right in. The first item the first 2 items I see in here is the Gerard Cosmetics setting spray, the Slay All Day setting sprays, and oh my gosh, yes. Okay, we've got a large, these are the full size, coconut and lavender. I do not have the lavender one. Here's my coconut one right here. You guys see that? Yes, I love her. The nice thing about these mini bottles, guys, is if you do have the full size, you can refill these. So if you happen to get to travel or whatever, you can make it through TSA, no issues, because this is only 1.01 ounces. So always something to think about. But I love the coconut. I have this other one sitting here. This is the Hydrating Facial Mist and Mystified. Okay, I'm a little too excited here, guys. I haven't tried the lavender one. I'm pretty excited about that. Let's smell her. Oh, this is soothing. and calming scent, almost like what I spritz my sheets down with before I go to bed. This smells really, really, really nice, like super nice. So we get 2 full size of the Slay setting sprays. So I mean, again, $165 worth of goodies are in this box. The next item I see in here is the BB Illumination Plus. Again, you guys know I talk about these all the time in the summer. This particular one is Sophia, which, hold on, I think I have that one. Okay, so I thought I had that one. Turns out I don't. I have 3 other ones. I have the Bridget, the Grace, and the Dorothy. And I actually mix these in my foundations in the summer, or I will like pop them on my shoulder. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this one and check out the color. I love these. These you can also, I'll show you in a second, hold on. So the nice thing about these is you can also use them as a highlighter on your cheek, or they're really nice to like do a little bit of a pump in your moisturizer to get that nice like glow. Or I mean, you could put this straight on and get like a really nice radiant glow and then put your foundation over top. But again, when I have a tan on, I use these all the time, whether it be on my face or on my shoulders, décolleté, on my legs even. I have applied them. Just put a pump with my body moisturizer in there. It's a yes for me. Okay, so the next item in here we do see is a pop socket, which, here's my phone. I already picked one up. So I'll put this one in a giveaway for you guys. But I've had this one on for I don't even know how long. It lasts forever and a day. So happy about that. The next items we have, ooh, let's see. This one is Color Your Smile. I don't know if I have this one. Let's see, some of these colors are really fun. Is it? Ooh, it's my bougie lip gloss. Okay, if you guys don't know, sitting over here, back here, I don't know if you guys can see it. Do you guys see right up front my Gerard Cosmetics lipsticks? I have the lip glosses and creams. I have all of it sitting right here. So this is stuff that I legitimately purchase on my own, guys, because I love the quality. So this I always call the bougie gloss, but it's actually in the shade Divalicious, and it's a perfect shade from, okay, do you guys see the light? I get so excited over this, guys. Like, I never call it by its true name because I'm like, look at this bougie gloss. So it's a really pretty mauve-y color, which your girl's outside her comfort zone tonight with the lipstick I have on. So I definitely feel like for me, this is definitely something I'm more comfortable with, this nude shade right here. And I could also pair it with like the buttercream lip gloss, or even the Kimchi Doll lipstick would be so beautiful, and then ombre it out. And of course, Sugar and Spice, Melrose Place, gonna pair perfectly with this lipstick, or lip gloss, or bougie gloss, whatever you want to call it. So next we have the Supreme Lip Cream. This is a super, super comfortable formula, and again, I have a couple shades back there. This is one of my favorite, Angel Cake. Angel Cake, do you guys see this? No, you don't, because I just got way too close to the screen. Okay, so this is a perfect example of how you can ombre this out. And so here we go. If you see, it's got like that opacity there, and it's got the perfect like peachy nude undertone. Do you see that? So if you put a little bit of that right in the center of your lips and pat it out, that for me, I have mature lips, guys, and even with lip fillers, I still have the lines. So when I press my lipstick in, no matter the brand, doesn't matter, but apply a little bit of the Angel Cake in the center, press it. Oh my god, I'm in an annoying mood, guys. It is like, what, 7 o'clock at night? 7 o'clock at night. My husband, fortunately, he's cooking dinner for me. I've been filming and editing all day, and I wanted to film this video earlier in the day, but FedEx played a little trick on me and put this box in front of the garage, so we didn't know it had been delivered. Yeah, FedEx. You gotta cut that out. Okay, moving right along. The next item in here is the Metal Matte. Now this is a liquid lipstick. I've never tried this one before. This is in the shade Grape Crush. Oh my goodness. Okay, this should be in it. Oh my god, it literally looks like what I have on, y'all. I don't know why I'm smelling them. Ooh, this literally looks like what I have on, only I patted some of it off. That is beautiful, and I will be sporting that. You just watch. Watch. I'm gonna get like a great purple eye. Quarantine's made this girl slightly come out of her comfort zone just a little bit. Now, I can't tell you guys how this feels on the lip because I've never tried it, but if it's anything like the other two formulas, I know I'm gonna love it. This is definitely more of like a shimmery, satiny kind of metallic, which is what it said, Metal Matte. So we shall see, but that's fun. That is really a fun color. Okay, wait, there's more. We have one of their lipsticks in here. This is in the shade Mai Tai. Now I don't have this one. Oh my god. This is such a summer color. This is such a Hailey color. My daughter loves these red oranges. I will sport this after I've whitened my teeth for the season because I haven't done them. I haven't whitened my teeth in a bit, which by the way, Gerard Cosmetics does have a teeth whitening system. I have used it. My girls have used it. We love it. I definitely recommend it. Check it out down below. I'll leave a link for you guys. This is a beautiful color. It's kind of hard to see there. It's a really pretty like red orange, and again, it just screams summertime. And again, if I'm uncomfortable with going straight in with this gorgeous color, I can go right in with the Angel Cake lip gloss, ombre it out from the center, and it's gonna be beautiful. That is how I'm getting through some of these colors. It's working. Okay, and then the last thing I see in this box is, oh, I love this. I had this. This is the Lip Medic. This is the Buttercream Lip Scrub. Oh, I am ripping this box to shreds like a monster. Oh, it's in a cute little thingy. That's smart. So the lip scrubs by Gerard Cosmetics are excellent, and they smell delicious. Now, they are kind of like hard to get in there at first, so I took my nail because that's so whatever. It's, don't do that. Just don't do that. Get yourself a little scoopy scraper, or if your hands are clean, and once you start like emulsifying it, or once you start rubbing it, it starts to emulsify, and it's so great for your lips. You guys can see how it is working on that matte lipstick. You guys see that? So this stuff is absolutely amazing, and I always recommend, like, if you are going to use any type of matte type of lipstick, definitely make sure you're exfoliating your lips. I mean, you guys see that? And that was without any type of water. So don't let it fool you that it doesn't like come like running out of the jar or anything like that. Just scoop a little bit out, maybe be a little bit more sanitary than I was. And then again, and then once you get that grit off, your lips literally feel moisturized underneath. Like it's wonderful, absolutely wonderful. So that is everything in this box, and this particular box is the Platinum Edition, and this is $77. You do receive $165 worth of goodies. Now I do have a code, which is Hotmess, but it will not work on these boxes. These are limited edition boxes, and again, the sale did start on March 1st. I'm going to try super uber hard to get this video up for you guys. Hopefully this will go up on Wednesday, I think, which is the 3rd. I'm trying to move things around. Like I told you guys, FedEx playing their little hide and seek games on me. Don't appreciate it. But let me know you guys' thoughts down below. They also have a box for $29 where you do receive at least $60 worth of goodies in there. Some of the contents that you will see in that box is a lip pencil, which amazing. The Hydra or Metal Matte Liquid Lipsticks, Color Your Smile Lip Gloss, Lip Cream Supreme, a lip scrub, the Gold Bullet Lipstick, Eternal Eyeliner, Mini Slay All Day Setting Sprays, a Mini Mystify, which by the way, these are really good to apply prior to applying your makeup. Just in case you do get the mystified one, I use this sometimes as like a primer to spritz all over my face. I don't know if you can use it afterwards, but I don't. I use it pre as like a kind of like a skincare type of thing. So the $29 box is called the Gratitude Box. You do receive the 4 items in there with a value up to $60, and any of those items that I just talked about will be in that box. Then again, the box I just unboxed for you guys is the Platinum Box. $77 and $165 worth of goodies in here. And y'all, they actually have a love box, which is the Diamond Edition, where you receive $365 worth of goodies for only $159. And the amount of things in here is insane. Like, it's crazy. Like, pretty much the store. So I think any of the boxes that you get, you're gonna love, because in the past I had purchased the $29 box and I loved the goodies that were in there. So anyways guys, let me know your thoughts down below. Have you picked up your Gerard Cosmetics 7th anniversary boxes yet? These love boxes are absolutely amazing. Thank you again to Gerard Cosmetics and Jen Gerard for sending this box my way, thinking about me. I greatly appreciate it. You guys know it's a never-ending love fest for me when it comes to the eye primers, the lip liners, the lipsticks, the bougie glosses, and even the setting sprays. I think you're going to be happy with anything you pick up. And again, if you are curious about the teeth whitening system, thumbs up, 10 out of 10. Definitely recommend. I would not let my girls use it if I did not like it myself. Anyhow, if you guys are interested in picking up a love box, I will have my link down below for you guys. It is an affiliate link, just to let you guys know I do earn a little bit of a commission. So thank you guys in advance if you do use my link for picking up one of these boxes. And remember, this is not only, you know, a fun little gift to yourself, but you can also take these things and gift them to others, whether, you know, it be their birthday or a holiday coming up. These are perfect. You guys know how I feel about subscription boxes, mystery boxes. I love them. They help me grow my collection without individually having to purchase everything. Okay, dinner is now done. The hubs has now texted. I'm gonna go ahead and hop off. I hope you guys enjoyed this video enough to stick around, subscribe, turn on your notification bell. If you guys are curious about all of the makeup that I do have on, it will be listed and linked down below with my top and my press-on nails. All of that will be down below for you guys. Don't forget to check me out on my second channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs. I do a lot of plus size, curvy girl fashion hauls over there. And also I have a QR code that I'm gonna pop up for you guys. If you hold your phone up and over this QR code, it's gonna prompt you over to my Instagram, and give your girl a follow over there. Anyways, friends, until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah. Bye, guys.